Lato-lato. Ay, tomorrow working time na naman. I'm not afraid of pregnancy. I'm afraid of what happens after pregnancy. From Papa Jimbo. Papa Jimbo, where are you, Papa? Maybe he's asleep. Papa Jimbo is asleep. Papa Jimbo, his silent viewers. Papa Jimbo, thank you. Thank you, Papa Jimbo. Bro, he was here the whole time. Papa Jimbo here. I hear you say my name. Thank you, Papa. Oh, you are at work. I'm sorry, Papa Jimbo. No problem, Papa Jimbo. Take your time. It's okay. Thank you so much. AGR, where? He's AGR here and Shokson. It's doing double duty. That's why she is pregnant. My ears itchy. Oh no, AGR, we were in the cave earlier. Miss you, Papa. Ano na? Oy, guys. Mag-end na ako, guys, ha? Papa Jimbo always giving Jaja her babies every week. Guys, we'll end now because it's 1 a.m. here. I need to sleep. Thank you so much. My bed is waiting for me. Love you always, guys. Thank you very much. Love you always. Oh. But you jump too deep, Papa. Okay, bye, Jaja. God bless. Yeah. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And to all my family Peanut and family Jaja. We had lunch in the cave. No, don't sleep on the baby. So, Hayana, thank you very much. And I love you always. To all my silent viewers, thank you. To all my new subscribers, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. I hope I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you for always helping my both channel. Much appreciated. Family Peanut. Thank you very much. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Bye, Lady Priggy. Thank you, Shokson. Bye-bye. Papa Jimbo always take care. AGR. Biglon, Shokson, Gosh, Greg, Jim, whenever you are, please stay healthy and safe. But do stay there for a long time, Papa. If Papa Jimbo will stay, I love you more. If Papa Jimbo stay a lot in the cave, he will get lost also like Jim. He will be disappear. So it's time to bye-bye. And ano na ako guys, I will